Hi everyone. So this question here says, after solving the system, and then we got the system right here, the sum x plus y is equal to, okay, now this is an interesting way to end this, to ask us to add the x and the y coordinates to the point here. However, it's a convenient tool when you're working through like a numeric response question. You need a single number as the result, okay, to take the coordinates of a point, the solution point, and add them together. So that is something that you should probably be comfortable with. Now, but really, this question is just asking me to solve the system, okay? Well, this one is set up really, really nicely that I could use either a substitution or elimination here, okay? It really doesn't matter. It would be very easy for me to solve for x, but it would also be very easy for me to combine these two equations and get rid of, for example, the y. And in fact, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do elimination here for a couple of reasons. First of all, I think most people here, most students that are taking this for the first time, tend to gravitate towards the elimination method because I think it makes maybe conceptually more sense than substitution. Additionally, if I was to do substitution here, I would isolate the x, and I know for a fact that most people are not comfortable working with an equation that has the variable y in it. Okay? You're much more comfortable with x. Now there's really no difference in terms of how you work with it, but it just looks odd with a y in it. And so, yeah, so this is probably our smartest method here. I'm going to eliminate the y simply by adding the two equations, and I do this because their coefficients are the same, but their signs are different. So when I add those together, x and x is going to get me 2x, plus y, negative 2y, okay, those go away. 10 and 2 is going to give me 12, so therefore x is equal to 6. Okay, now I can take that result and go back into either one of those first two, and I'd probably go to the second one because I'm lazy and it's just got a smaller number there. So therefore 6 minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, I might bring the 2y over, bring the 2 over, so 4 is equal to 2y, therefore 2 is equal to y. So I'm looking for 6 and 2, and when I add those together I get 8. Well, it's not C or D. Ah, there it is. 8. The answer is A.